looking for an integrated solution, an intelligent, reputed, well-tested, integrated solution. Our IT team did a POC for each of these, top solutions, and we evaluated that. And finally, we found that the Google Suite, now the Google Workspace, meet our requirement. Most of it. So that is how we started using that. I should say this has been extremely useful for our people and our company. Especially, we started this in Jan actually. Within a couple of months, this lockdown was announced in the country, and we were not allowed to operate in most of the states. But still, our people were able to communicate, and we were able to continue the business continuity and then collaborate. Especially the Google Meet, I should say, was extensively used by our people. So it was a good experience. It was a lot of value addition by this solution to us. As I mentioned, it enabled collaboration among employees, and now in an industry like financial services, as you know, information is our input or ingredient for our business. So now this information has to be collected, compiled, shared in a very secure way. Information is actually through the data and through the tacit knowledge also. So what we found was these tools available in the Google Workspace, like it's an integrated system. So if I want to share a particular file, I can use Google Doc, and or if I want to call somebody, I can click, or I can maybe I can use chat instead, which will be much more fast and productive. And then, of course, Google Drive has been extremely useful for us to securely share our information, especially with respect to customers, as I mentioned. It should not be accessible to outsiders. So Google Drive is actually tremendously helping us, and of course through the Google Meet, as I explained. So these combined helped us, our team, and the team building and team spirit to us actually built through this particular transformative solution. When we started implementing the Google solution, the major challenge was actually we had a lot of old data, huge files of last so many years. Each individual was having in their inbox. Now, how to actually migrate this and reuse it? That was a challenge for us. Our partner, Google partner Econz, handholded us, and they guided us in this, and along with our IT team members, we made a program. We trained the trainers, and these trainers in turn, went to these, individual users and helped them in extracting those data and centralize it and migrate to the new system. So that way we could archive a lot of voluminous data. And in future also, the being an intelligent cloud-based solution, we find that we will be able to use our large data in the cloud, which we can search it and we can restore it much faster compared to earlier. And for any investigative purpose also, we will be able to retrieve this information very fast. So that way, I would say, one is the large volume of the data, another is the security. In both the angles, the solution is actually